Welcome back to the channel. They say you never get a second chance to make a first impression, and in your home, that starts the second you step through the door. The entryway, also known as the foyer or hallway, is the first area your guests see when they enter your home, and it sets the tone for the rest of your space. It's essential to create a warm and inviting atmosphere right from the start. Today, we're diving into top entryway decor ideas to help you transform your hallway and console table like a total pro. Whether you have a grand foyer or a tiny corner, let's make it unforgettable. We will explore various styles, color schemes, and decorative elements that can elevate your entryway decor. For larger spaces, consider dramatic light fixtures like chandeliers or oversized art pieces to create a bold impact. Adding a console table is a great way to provide a surface for decorative items, keys, or mail. You can style it with a mix of objects such as elegant vases, framed photos, or decorative trays, anything that showcases your personality. In smaller spaces, focus on maximizing functionality without sacrificing style. Wall-mounted shelves can display your favorite books or plants, and a stylish coat rack can keep your entry organized. Mirrors can also create the illusion of more space while adding a touch of glamour. Don't forget about the color scheme. A fresh coat of paint can drastically change the feel of your entryway. If you prefer a cozy vibe, consider warmer colors or earthy tones. For a more modern feel, go for light and airy shades. Lastly, adding a welcoming mat or rug can enhance the overall look and provide comfort underfoot. Plants or fresh flowers are also a beautiful way to bring life and vibrancy into the space. With the right design choices, your entryway can become a truly stunning introduction to your home. Let's get started on making the perfect entryway that leaves an unforgettable impression. Every great entryway starts with a solid foundation. This means that the first impression of your home begins at the entry point, making it essential to create a welcoming and functional space. When you're working with a console table, it's crucial to think about scale and proportion to ensure harmony within the room. A common mistake many make is selecting a piece that's too spindly or fragile for the wall it's intended to adorn. An undersized table can make the entryway feel unbalanced and can be easily overlooked as an afterthought. Designer tip: aim for a table that fills about 2/3 of the available wall space. This guideline helps in achieving a visually pleasing balance. A table that is well-sized not only serves as a practical item, providing a place for keys, mail, or decorative elements, but also anchors the space, making it feel cohesive and designed. The look: when choosing materials, consider going for natural wood to introduce warmth into your entryway. Natural wood pieces can bring an organic touch that evokes feelings of comfort and approachability, enhancing the overall aesthetic of the home. Alternatively, if your style leans towards contemporary, sleek marble coupled with black metal can create a stunning modern entryway. This combination exudes luxury and sophistication. The contrast between the soft, warm tones of marble and the cool, industrial vibe of black metal can establish a dynamic focal point that draws attention and invites guests to enter. Overall, selecting the appropriate console table with the right materials and proportions can greatly elevate the entryway's design and functionality. Now, let's dive deeper into the process of styling that surface to achieve a harmonious and visually appealing decor. To create an effective visual balance, we can apply the rule of 3, a timeless principle in design that promotes simplicity and cohesion while avoiding overwhelming clutter. This approach is not just about finding random items to place on a table, it's about creating a well-thought-out arrangement that draws the eye and feels intentional. The height, Start your arrangement with a tall, striking element that serves as a focal point. This could be a sculptural lamp that casts beautiful shadows and provides illumination, or a large vase filled with oversized branches that add height and an organic touch. The height variation introduces an element of drama and sophistication, making the arrangement visually interesting. Aim for something that captures attention and invites viewers to look further. The heart. Next, you'll want to include a stack of oversized coffee table books. These serve multiple purposes. They not only provide a stable platform but also add depth and character to your styling. Choose books with beautiful covers or engaging colors that resonate with the overall decor style. You can layer in smaller decorative objects, perhaps a quirky sculpture or a framed photo, on top of the stack. This layering creates dimension and invites interaction, encouraging guests to pick up a book and explore its contents. The soul. To give your surface the final touch, incorporate something organic and personal. A small bowl for your keys or a fragrant scented candle can significantly enhance the atmosphere of the space. These items not only serve a functional purpose but also evoke a sense of warmth and welcome in your home. The organic element, a natural shape, texture, or scent, can ground the arrangement and evoke feelings of comfort. Choose scents that match the mood you want to promote. Perhaps a calming lavender for relaxation or a refreshing citrus for an energizing atmosphere when you enter your home. In essence, by following the rule of 3, you create a balanced and inviting surface that reflects your personal style while maintaining order and elegance. This method fosters a sense of harmony and makes a lasting impression on anyone who steps into your space. Let's talk about light and how it plays a crucial role in transforming the ambience of our living spaces. Entryways, in particular, tend to be the darkest spots in a house due to their often limited natural light. This makes them feel less inviting and can hinder the overall flow of light throughout your home. One effective method to combat this issue is by incorporating large statement mirrors into your entryway design. Not only do these mirrors serve the practical purpose of providing a last-minute check for your outfit before you head out, but they also have a remarkable ability to bounce light around the room. By reflecting both natural and artificial light, mirrors can make narrow hallways feel twice as wide, creating an illusion of space and brightness that is particularly beneficial in smaller areas. Additionally, lighting fixtures play a significant role in enhancing the entryway's aesthetics and functionality. If you have the space available, consider swapping out that basic overhead light fixture for something more stylish, like a statement flush mount light. This change can elevate the design of your entryway instantly, providing a focal point that draws the eye. Alternatively, installing a pair of elegant wall sconces on either side of a mirror or artwork can create a soft, flattering glow reminiscent of a boutique hotel ambience. This layered lighting approach not only improves visibility but also adds a cozy and welcoming feel to the entrance of your home. By thoughtfully selecting and positioning mirrors and light fixtures, you can significantly enhance the lighting quality in your entryway, resulting in a brighter, more inviting space that sets the tone for the rest of your home. Finally, don't forget about the floor when decorating your home. A durable runner can serve multiple purposes. It adds a pop of texture, enhances the visual appeal of your flooring, and effectively defines the pathway of your home, guiding guests from one area to another. When selecting a runner, consider performance fabrics that can withstand foot traffic, ensuring longevity while still providing a soft and comfortable feel underfoot. This is especially important in high-traffic areas, such as hallways or near entryways, where wear and tear are more likely to occur. Additionally, under the table, consider incorporating a couple of woven baskets. These not only contribute an aesthetic element to your decor, adding warmth and texture, but they also serve a practical purpose by concealing real-life clutter. Items like shoes, dog leashes, and other everyday essentials can easily become eyesores if left out in the open. By using stylish baskets, you can maintain a tidy appearance in your living spaces while keeping necessary items accessible when needed. The combination of a well-chosen runner and thoughtful storage solutions will create a harmonious balance between form and function in your home.